Welcome to our new video. In this video we discuss about global stratification. Global stratification definition. Global stratification refer to the equal distribution of wealth, power and prestige among the different nations of the world. It's called global stratification. Some nations enjoy enormous wealth and privilege, while the other suffer from poverty. Manganese global stratification. Privilege while others suffer from poverty. Manganese global forces such as globalization, culture, imperialism, and colonialism can encourage accepted global indicated how to measure wealth, access to education, political power, racial emphasis, gender status, sanitation, access to healthcare, environmental degradation, access to technology. Social stratification, lower classes, upper classes, lower classes to upper classes. Differences between global stratification and domestic stratification. The United States refers to the distribution of resources among individuals of global village and global stratification. Global stratification refers to the unequal distribution of resources among the nation. Global stratification of examples while wealthiness is 8% of global population holds 76 of global wealth. Poverty population pool men. Thank you. We dig deeply in this topic. I deeply explain about the global stratification, social stratification, and differences between global and domestic stratification. And domestic stratification, I explain stratification in United States refer to unequal distribution of resources among individuals. And global stratification refers to unequal distribution of resources among the nation. The global stratification is presented, and after this I discuss about definition of stratification and how to measurement of stratification and social stratification. In social stratification, I explain about lower classes in three classes: lower classes, upper classes. In lower classes में upper classes, upper high classes, upper middle classes, upper lower classes, middle classes में middle high classes, middle classes, middle lower classes, and lower classes में lower high classes, lower middle classes, lower classes. Step by step I explain, and after this I explain about global stratification, refer to distribution of wealth, power and prestige among the different nations of the world. Some nations enjoy enormous wealth and privilege. The refers for poverty, recognize global forces and globalized cultural impulses and commercialism can be expresses